In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up GoHighLevel for your coaching business. I'll be showing you the 7 core features that every coach should set up in HighLevel: booking funnels, calendar management, automated follow-up sequences, lead tracking, course delivery, taking payments, and managing your conversations from all platforms. Each section is timestamped below so you can jump to what you need. Normally, GoHighLevel gives you a 14-day trial, but if you use my special link in the description, you'll get a 30-day extended trial. Click that link below to get started. Let's not waste any time and get straight into it. Section 1. Account Setup. First, you need to create your account and set up a sub-account. The sub-account is where you actually manage your coaching business. After signing up, you'll land in the agency view. Click on Sub-Accounts in the left menu, then Create Sub-Account. What's great about GoHighLevel is that it has pre-built snapshots specifically for coaches. They currently have a snapshot for business coaching, career coach, life coach, and wellness coaching. These templates include pre-built funnels, email sequences, calendars, and pipelines that save you setup time. Pick whichever is closest to your coaching niche. Here, click Add Manually and fill in your business details. Click Add Sub-Account and then switch to this sub-account. Section 2. Building your booking funnel. The first thing most coaches need is a way to get people to book calls. So let's build a simple booking funnel. Go to Sites in the left menu. If you picked a snapshot template, you'll see a funnel already created, but I'll show you how to create a new one. Click New Funnel and you have 3 options. Start from blank, use Funnel AI, or use a template. Starting from blank takes a lot of time and some design skill, and the AI funnels usually don't look great in my opinion, so I'll start with a template. GoHighLevel has some pretty good looking templates. Go ahead and filter by business, coaching, and consulting, and pick a template that looks good to you. For example, I'll pick this simple one. On the opt-in page, you'll want to customize the headline to clearly state what you offer. For example, book a LinkedIn optimization call to attract recruiters from top companies. Then I'll change the font to this one and highlight a few words. This template includes a video, so I'll also upload my own VSL. On average, funnels with a video perform 80% better than funnels with just text. So I recommend also including a video into your funnel. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on how to build and customize your funnel, make sure to check this video where I show you the complete step-by-step process to creating a high converting funnel in GoHighLevel. For the button action, set it to Open Pop-up. Now before we can customize the pop-up, we need to set up our calendar, so let's do that next. Section 3. Calendar Setup. Go to Calendars in the left menu. Then click Calendar Settings at the top and go to Connections. Connect the calendar you're already using to prevent double bookings. Also connect Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet here. This creates a unique meeting link for every booked appointment automatically. Next, to set our availability, we need to first create a user. So go to My Staff in the left menu and add yourself as a user. Then go back to Calendars and click Availability. Now we can set when we are available to take meetings. For example, I'll do Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. and Saturday from 9 a.m. until 1 p.m. If you want, you can also create a lunch block by clicking on the plus icon and leaving a gap between your end time and next start time. And finally, you can also add date-specific hours. For example, you may want to have Thanksgiving or Christmas off. When you're done, click Save Changes. Now create your meeting type, click Calendars, then New Calendar. Select Personal Booking for one-on-one meetings. Name it something like Discovery Call, select yourself as the team member and set the duration for this meeting type. Click Confirm. Go ahead and set up a calendar for every type of meeting you do. After doing that, go back to the funnel, open the pop-up, and add a calendar section. Here, select the calendar you just created, for me, Discovery Call. Now when someone clicks the button on your funnel, they can book a meeting with you. Make sure to set the redirect action to Go to Next Step. Click Save and also go ahead and customize your thank you page. Section 4. Automated follow-up sequences. This is where GoHighLevel really saves you time. Instead of manually following up with every lead, you set up automated sequences once and they run forever. Go to Automation in the left menu. Your snapshot template already has several workflows built. Let me explain the key ones. New lead nurture sequence. When someone submits a form, this sequence sends them 5 to 7 emails over the next week. This sequence works great if, for example, you are giving away a freebie. Appointment reminders. When someone books a call, they automatically receive a confirmation email and text. Then they get reminders 24 hours before and 1 hour before the appointment. This significantly increases show-up rates. No-show recovery. If someone misses their call, this automation sends follow-up messages trying to reschedule them. To customize any workflow, click on it and you'll see the sequence of actions. You can edit email copy, change timing, and add or remove steps. One more useful automation they've set up is the long-term nurture sequence. If you open this one up, you'll see a 5-week sequence with 5 emails. You can also add even more steps if you want to keep sending emails. Section 5, Pipeline and CRM. Now let's talk about organizing your leads. This is critical if you're talking to multiple prospects and don't want anyone falling through the cracks. Go to Opportunities in the left menu. You'll see this board with different columns. This is your sales pipeline. Here's how it works. When someone fills out your form, they appear in New Lead. As you communicate with them and they move through your sales process, you can drag them to the next column. You can customize these stages to match your sales process. Click on any card to see the contact's full information. You can see notes you've added, you can add tasks, and basically anything else you need to know about the lead. You can also click View Conversations so you can see all the contact you've had with this lead. This pipeline view lets you see exactly where each prospect is in your sales process, so you don't have to remember it yourself anymore, which can save you a lot of mental energy. You can also create multiple pipelines. For example, one for your high-ticket coaching and another for your group program, or one pipeline for sales and another for tracking client onboarding. Section 6, delivering your coaching program. If you deliver your coaching through courses, group programs, or a membership, GoHighLevel can host all of that. Go to Memberships in the left menu, then under Courses, click Products. Click Create New and Start from Scratch. Here you can build out your full course, and you can also go to Communities in the top to create your own free or paid community. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on setting up your course with the client portal and building a community in GoHighLevel, I've also created a video on that topic, which I'll link down in the description too. Section 7, Payments and Invoicing. Let's set up payments so you can actually get paid for your coaching. Go to Payments in the left menu and click Integrations. Connect whichever payment gateway you want to use. Now for taking payments, you have several options. First, invoices. Click New and then New Invoice to create a one-time invoice. Add the client's information, create a product for the service you are providing, and the amount it costs. You can email or text the invoice directly from GoHighLevel. Second, recurring invoices. If you offer monthly coaching, click New Recurring Invoice, set the amount and frequency, and it will automatically bill your client every month. Third, payment links. These are useful for quick sales. Click Payment Links and create a new one. Select a product and generate the link. Now you can text or DM this link to someone who wants to hire you immediately. And fourth, contracts. If you need clients to sign agreements, go to Documents and Contracts. You can create contract templates and send them automatically after someone pays. Section 8, the Conversations tab. One more feature worth mentioning is the Conversations tab. This is where all your communication lives. Emails, SMS, Instagram DM, Facebook messages, and more. To set up the integrations, go to Settings, click Integrations, and here you can connect your Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and your other accounts. Instead of checking 5 different apps, you check one inbox. Click on Conversations in the left menu, and you'll see all active threads. You can create saved snippets for common responses. For example, if people often ask what's included in your coaching, you can save that answer as a snippet and insert it with one click. Section 9, Next Steps. So we've now covered the most important GoHighLevel features to set up as a coach. Here's what I recommend you do next. First, set up your sub-account and connect your calendar and Stripe. Second, build one simple booking funnel using a template. Third, turn on the appointment reminder automation. Fourth, set up your pipeline so you can track leads. And fifth, create one payment link for your main coaching offer. Don't try to set up everything at once. Get these basics working first, then expand from there. Later, you can start using more features such as the reputation management, social planner, and AI agents. If you want to try GoHighLevel, use the link in the description for the extended 30-day trial. If you found this walkthrough helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more GoHighLevel tutorials. And on screen, you'll also see the videos I mentioned earlier, where I go more in depth on how to use the funnel builder and how to set up a course and community. So if you want, you can check those out too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.